Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Cubelelo-Elite clock. So before we start this video, I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Remy Speedcubing. He's from Canada and is also into 2x2 just like me. He has a pretty cool channel, so I'll link it in the description below for you guys to check out. Go subscribe. Oh my god, this package is quite difficult to open because I don't have a knife. Anyways, this was the last clock available on Cubelelo, so I'm so glad that I was able to snag it up and now I can start a new WC event. Sorry to whoever wanted to buy a clock, this is the last one available. Anyways, here we've got like some logo stickers and the invoice, the clock itself. So here is the Cubelelo-Elite clock, and here let's just go ahead and open this box up. It looks a little bit beat up. I'm not 100% sure on how to open it. Oh my god, which way does it open? That way. I don't want to break this clock. Here it is. I mean, now I've never really played with a clock before, so I don't really know what to expect. First turns. Okay, is this how you turn it? I guess these, whatever these are called, they move pretty nicely. I just need to put some lube, I guess. It's a little stiff. Then these things also turn pretty nicely. Let's check out the other side. Wow, I really like this design actually. Cubelelo has completely redesigned the clock and looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Yep, these move pretty good. So does this. I'm not really sure what to say because this is my first clock. I've never solved one before and I have no idea how it works. So take whatever opinion I say with a grain of salt because I'm just pretty bad at this event. Anyways, I will be learning clock over the next few days and hopefully become pretty decent at it. Maybe, I don't know, sub 20, sub 15 perhaps. Overall, this seems to turn better than every other clock I've tried. And it even looks better than every other Lingao clock I've seen. Overall, not much I can say, like I said, so I guess that's it. So for my first impressions, I guess I'd give this cube an 8.5 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing on the Cubelelo-Elite clock. Thanks a lot for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and bye.